Good morning, guys. Happy Father's Day to all those amazing, wonderful dads out there. You are one in a few, trust me. Anyways, so it is Sunday morning and we woke up with lots of energy, really anxious to get started, which somebody began without taking a before picture. It's okay. Anyways, we will be tackling, of course, this area here. See my handy dandy super worker. Say hello. So we are going to start heading that way and just cleaning up as much as possible. I am super pumped, super excited, and I will be putting the time lapse. So stay tuned. See ya.
Un chavo la hora. Pero ¿cómo va a ser, Abby? Un chavo la hora.
Un chavo la hora. Ya tú sabes, cuando ella haga el trabajo bien y bueno y todo, entonces le subo la propina a 2 chavitos.
Diadre, a 2 chavos. Maceta, tu hermana. You imagine, just make believe that's Michelle's head. She only gonna pay you 1 penny. Just think about the penny you're gonna earn.
Abby con machete. Watch out. Mira allá. Espérate que lo pusiste más bien. Ya te vas a cortar la cabeza. Métele ahí un fuetazo. ¡Épale! Está espantando moscas. Oye, mira, pero con dos y el bread. El palito no tiene todavía ahí. No, ella quiere hacer más. Mira, yo tengo ese de esto ahí también que está lleno.
Mira, Abby, mira, esto que está aquí, todo eso.
No, es más, déjame buscar el resto. I'm gonna hold the machete while I pull this over here. No voy a hacer de que coja y te caiga ahí. No es un problema.
Tipo, ponerla a trabajar.
Dale, mete ahí.
No, los árboles no muerden.
Six might. No, I'm kidding.
Wow. Mira, ya se ha ganado 2 chavos.
Está bueno. Thank you, Abby, for all your help. You just knocked so much work out of me. And it's like, yeah, like that, like crazy. Oh my God. That's my psycho. Hey guys, thank you so much for continuing to stay with me and watching throughout this entire journey. As you can see, we have tackled quite a bit of the main entrance area, the front, or what they call the street. It has been an amazing day, but we are exhausted because I've put in like 4 days in a row. So I think I might take a day off tomorrow. Happy Father's Day to my amazing, wonderful dad out there, and I am so grateful for this opportunity that we've gotten able to catch up and continue to stay in touch, you know, and sharing all the support and ideas and just creativity. It's just amazing. So I'm so happy. And of course, a special thank you to my baby Victor, who has been helping me unbelievably. He has, even today, he was not feeling all that well, but he kept pushing. He was like, nope, I said I was going to tackle this with you, and that is what we're going to do. And we did it. So thank you so much, honey. Special thanks to my sister, Abby, who was all up in, you know, for me to bring her here, which was her first time coming to the land. So I got, you know, to show her. I even put her to work a little bit. So it was funny. We had such a good time. So thank you so much, honey, for coming and spending time with me and making me laugh as usual and bugging the crap out of me as usual. But I love you, and this is not going to be the end. You're going to be coming over definitely more and more. So happy Father's Day to all those amazing dads out there. You are rare and few, so pat yourself on the back for that, you know. Anyways, thank you again for watching. Stay tuned for the next videos and enjoy the rest of your day as well as this upcoming week. Stay safe. Bye.